Looking for reliable lab equipment without breaking the budget? Meet the refurbished Premier Slide Warmer XH-2002 from Galileo Scientific. This compact, powerhouse slide warmer features a 10 by 7 inch black anodized surface, perfect for holding up to 23 slides at once. The dark finish provides excellent contrast, making your samples easier to see during prep. With its digital temperature control and easy-to-read LED display, you can set the heat anywhere from room temperature up to 75 degrees Celsius, accurate within just 2 degrees. Hit the set button, and you can easily toggle between the temperature you've chosen and the one it's currently holding. Uniform thermal heat distribution makes this unit ideal for drying and mounting paraffin tissue sections in histology, cytology, pathology, and biology labs. Plus, every unit has been reviewed, reconditioned, and fully serviced by our Galileo scientific specialists, so you can expect top-tier performance, backed by a 1-year warranty. It's CE certified, UL and CSA approved, and comes complete with an AC power cable and built-in fuse. Dependable, affordable, and ready to work. This refurbished XH-2002 is your lab's next smart upgrade.